Hello, today I'll be teaching you how to upload a video via PHP. What you'll need is a web server, FTP and MySQL, and 10 minutes of spare time. First of all, create a new directory in your web server. I've already done this. And make a page, call it index.php. Once you've got your index.php up in the text editor, first of all, a bit of HTML to give it some structure. So HTML we need a form now to upload videos to. So first of all, since we're using files in this form, we're going to have to put a special thing in our form tag, which is n type equals multipart slash form dash data. Then we'll need a name, so we can name our videos. Name equals vid underscore name, and of course we'll need a file input thingy, so video input type equals file name equals video, and finally a submit button. Close form. Next of all, we will need something to view the videos once they have been uploaded. So for now, we'll leave it like this for now, and we'll come back to this part of it later. The next thing we need to do is download the JW player from Longtail. The link will be in the description. Once you get on the link, click the download now button, download it. Once you have, and you've extracted it, you'll get all these different files. The ones which are important are JW player, SWF object, and I think that's it. But I'm just going to be careful and put them all in there. Once SWF object, JW player and player.swf are in with your index file, the next thing we need to do is include it in this file. So back to the head, src equals, and you need to include jwplayer.js. Once you've included that, we go on to the next part of this video, which is uploading the file via PHP. First thing we need to do is to connect to our FTP account and to our MySQL. Now I've already done this, and I'm just going to paste the code quickly here for the MySQL. Just include that in some PHP tags. Next of all, we need to connect to the FTP server. This code will be available in the description if you don't want to copy out word for word from the video. Just paste it here. What this is saying is the server is the website. The user is the user you use to log on, and the password is this. It might be, if you use something like cPanel, it'll be a lot easier than if you're using Apache. Once you've got this code, the next part of the code comes in, which is the part of uploading it. So I've already just done this, so I'll just quickly paste it in and explain it. First, we change the directory to the directory we want the videos to come when they are uploaded. So in my case, it'll be this. Then we have the name, which is, it's not spelled right, which is here, and we have the file that attributes here. So file name, TMP name, and the type. The next thing we need to do is to use FTP upload to upload it to the directory. We use this FTP put command, this. You can't effectively upload videos via HTTP post because they're too big files, and usually your server will time out before they upload. The next thing we need to do is to create this code, which will come as soon when the video is uploaded, and this is the code of a JW player. So every time you create a video, this code will be created in the MySQL table as well. And so, yep, that's what it will be. Then you need to use the MySQL query to insert it into your table. Now, I'll show you the table that I am using. I've already made this one using PHP which you need two or three columns. I've only put two. If you want three, then the third one would be an ID column, which will be auto increment. Actually, just add that one. So we need an ID column, like 10 auto increment, index primary. So your codes you want to be long text, and your name varchar the limit of 50. So then, back to a file. So you'll insert this to a MySQL table, and then it'll refresh back to the page. Now we need the viewing the videos code, and this is quite simple. All all it is a bit of simple MySQL. So I'll just copy and paste it. So just a simple MySQL query to the video table, and then looking for the files and then echoing them to the page. Now this doesn't match the one I showed you because my Apache server doesn't have FTP, so I'm using my server online www.geek-army.org instead. So this is the code from it, but it doesn't matter for you. Now, finally, to see a working example. See if it works. So here are the things. Add a video. Name equals it works. Choose a file. Ta-da. Okay, test. Okay, so as you can see, it works. You can only have one video displaying at a time. I'm not sure how to fix this. If you want a tutorial on to how to do that, comment below. Like I said, the code will be available in the description, and so will a link to the JW player. Thank you.